GH.
Busia, when you say we are something near Nyoma Ukunya some ketwa. The things you go through, and you some ketwa cry. The son said, we are something near. Just say, Ujin one chassis. But ye need a mudia Ghana upon way super Cassipa Asante for. Upon way Sri pay Asante for. Any mistake will be Asante for. But Nini endure, ye jitum a kianutum said the bear yenya hungry. But a koyo bin kwa dia, Asante for come on, got some kind of minipa. Just a Ujin one chassis, Ujin one chassis. Sam George, Sam George. I honorable Sam George, I see a minister for, I think, on like say communications or something, maybe I know it. Siasim new. Just say, guy be a trendy Kumasi. Or your phones or repair phones, and as guy, no, or your short guys, and go on a damn chance. Now, I know brofuni said you see Casano, you will be one more trendy. Now, Sam George, Asiano, and some more kind. Senkaya Santini, the share no case be and crime for you see. If you are cast other way, say, a problem. Yes, a problem. Oh dear, before a bus video, you could see Yansha guide video kakrebi. Na Yemra.
Hello guys, good morning. We are back to shop trying to get some devices fixed, and the first phone for today is an iPhone XX Max. This phone I received from another technician. Initially they tried to fix a fault, and now the phone won't boot up and it won't even charge. But because they were already working on it, they had already separated the motherboard. As I said earlier in my previous videos, the motherboard of most of our newer phones comes in a sandwich form, like two boards combined to work like one board. So this board, because technician tried to fix, he has already separated it. And looking from the motherboard, he tried to change some components. You can see this place with bulged parts, and most of these things are the reason why the phone is not working. And I can see some ripped off parts. This is as a cause of the phone being fallen, or someone trying to use heavy force to separate the motherboard. So with devices like these, the only solution is for me to do direct CPU transplant onto a known good motherboard. So I'm going to transfer the hard drive of the phone, that is the NAND, and the CPU, that is this, and the CPU of the phone onto a known good working motherboard. This is a motherboard, a spare motherboard that I have, and I'm going to transfer the most important chips from the customer's motherboard onto this new motherboard, and everything should boot up and work perfectly. So the next step is me removing the glue from the CPU area so that I can safely remove the CPU without damaging it. This is a process that requires massive skill and training to be able to work on devices like these. It requires a lot of time and patience. I need to remove the glue from the CPU area and from the hard drive area. Apple placed this glue on the CPU and the hard drive to protect it from being ripped apart in case there is a massive fall. We cannot lift the CPU without having to remove this glue. And that is the hard drive. removing the glue, protecting the hard drive, so we can have direct access to lift the hard drive. This is the step where I use my hot air gun with the biggest nozzle to throw.
Guide video na where you see the bro for church, said you see repair phones, any adimot him say yes, like Nanwati or Tibo so. Yes, na sa video we ba want see trendy videos, ni videos trending na honorable Sam George FN. Na Sam George friend na oni ni din komo ma so kan. O se na o wonder say guy no efri kumase. Esan say o kasa no wante se ni a oni ni L enye. Esun kai Asante na koka say oh said you see on your man we on your kama on ya to send Ukrainian the whole country will turn up. These are the things that Asante go through. You the enti honorable Sam George enti ma.
Is this a kid or a grown up? And what beats me is I said, I want to invite him. So I called myself, I said, buy him a ticket from Kumasi, let him come down. I want to ask him, is he an Ashanti? Because I didn't hear an R or L. Is he an Ashanti? Because I didn't hear an R or L. Is he an Ashanti? Because I didn't hear an R or L. What man? This is nice to you a lot. It's an honor to meet you. Please come into my office. But you know him, right? That's Umar Osanda City Eyewitness News.
In fact, now that we're here, he should be on Upside Down with Freeman. I will make that arrangement.
Yeah, I mean, no,
I will a child or an adult.
I'm an adult.
How old?
It's 27.
I'm about 27 years old.
Are you for real? That's the age I got married. I hope you're married. Please don't get married. Wow, jeez. No, when you finish with him, I'll make an arrangement for you.
No, sure.
You'll be on TV, prepare.
Thank you.
You're welcome. God bless you. But I don't use iPhones. I'm not really that way. Thank you.
Yes, I feel so these are the things that you go through as I grow. By people are taking this for granted because ye the too ba obi dia. Hey, as before you see, as before, Munam Casa Ghana Emudia. But on say, a cocoye, Asantini, all can say the Yankasa Yajatum. I feel so. And to be honest, as anybody can once my people feel say, oh, Santa Fe and I see, yes, sir. The Amudia, yeah, come on, come on, can't see. Actually, papa, Abusia me 270 na me kai say first me Asante wodom work no e baso first me Asante wodom work no e baso che se nyasem ketwa kwa wo hwe se die kwa Asante wodom enioma ide gu akwa ma che se nyasem ketwa kwa e besre se die pese si ye kama ni ntini e besre se wo su betimi do support afa number isu bibia ye beche ni adawase support betimi aka se yenyi we ntonsu betimi support t-shirt betimi support in any form ye besre pa se bia moa na we enye fe ne kra be sanse wona wasori ti Asante a opese ana wo kase ti Asante ni we ye kire o mo se ye ntina sidi mo mo fa sa enye ye nti wo se ye sorry ni wo Asante wo doma ye betimi da bibia nti ye besre mo support ne nye kama ye nim sa Asante bi betimi aye am na ife sa pepepe eneti na ebusua eye bako issues na eba no dodo na bakofo na nkasa kasa e wo se yewura anase yewura peni betimi asolve situation na politicians dey omo de nsem ne dey omo de ye politics nti omo sire yewura se on intercede anase omrem se de be ya asumdwe betimi atena boko ama wona pese wo ye bibi wona wo di dwa pese odi no etimi akotote e de amam yenti se de nsem na manfo e kan
enti kusasi ni mampusi issue no. I'm talking about the Bawku conflict. Said yes, you are no all the politics, this MPP, NDC fin era ye nya solution. And penny for say, maybe a teacher buano, and 1 year son. There's a war problem. There's a problem near spiritual. I tell you, it needs a spiritual solution. If it's physical, it needs a physical solution. Now, these are chieftaincy issues. Say all the politics ni be real more. The only thing the politician bet me aye and say or the curfew wa betu ukro no so. No the say for ba be gu krom ho. 24/7 no mu kro to ne nam krom ho. Omi emfa no kre. Emfa tradition so. Ni en solve issue ni asomo no ye. Se otumfo na ba mu ne be ye a. Omi emfa odo ni obuo nko. Ni emma nananom ntena so. Na ba bi asomdwe won ye emfa nto. Are you people not tired of gun sounds every now and then? Sir, MPP ni NDC there. It should be about they will capitalize on it for their own selfish gain. So take them out, my people. Let's not read politics, that MPP, NDC politics into everything in this country. These are purely traditional matters, and it will take the traditional norms to solve the problem amicably. I'm just calling on my brothers up there, the Kusasis and Mampusi over there in Bawku. Me after tuning in Engo form. Na yemfa ma na nanom vo munyansa ni no munim de. Emfa nko issue no. Na me ogidie say na nanom de this time tested tradition to form. Na yehwehwe mu a they are something that betimi de ato na sumdua bani nyina ho atoye. It's sad. In fact, it saddens my heart to know that are day nyina yentimi nya solution. Na denti na mo na mo fi say politics nti mo na mo see o mo pamo NDC kofa pamo MPP kofa NDC by say na kosi sen. So the issue ni any politician can never solve it. We've tried it before and it never worked. And there are evidences out there for you and I to know, say, when we leave these ones in the hands of our politicians, they will rather escalate it. They will just massage it, MPP ban obey, and this ban obey, no more go. Not they be an enemy and mukumo, and consider bang. Who and two and hopeful, never be a default, yes, from Jerry Pony. You found for us from Jim Refi. Why? In one year, sir, Madam Winamasi.
Yes, I feel something be now. That means that they are calling for Europe. Because no pen ass from Ghana or Ghana, or no pen or Kabia, Abuduni and Dan, Akuma Beton, no pen between a solve situation with ease. Sapape and it's a nebusia. Made once and so the amount. Yeah, you can't guide you to Chima or Cassatia, you can't sema and send for that. It's a you can't sema and send for that. And my boys need to say, most when you are brave. When you are brave, so my way, won't find one channel. You see,
because you boy be the prince. Oh,
what a chimano.
No. Australia no dear ratem no say, but yes, you can't see any here. O dear gra, Mema Bruno. That's also a bema. Omucha kwa ebi my no mkasi ungram near so gram over pia. But I said the pan rosen wokumo yank akabesem. So what dear gra, your floor quarter member. Yam so unco prisoner. Bun some jamuno. Oh, Rama Busa say, oh, but no forget Cassiana Nakatuano. And also, but no for Cassiano. May interest in your Cassiano. But who represent what the offer Kituano? No Busa said a Kituano for ye, Usumbo. Yeah, Busa said, no boy, and I say, would must it was baby. Almost a drone, no chrono, no bono, Jema, bag, railway, Nina carbon. I drove India. Who sell it a cassa da. Upacasa wouldn't. Yeah, Yaji or Hodia. Yakoya, sell it a crano. Yadi, chim. And ye qua. Ya who crano who mark out to say when you feel that. Boniama na papa nkwa se boni ba na mekoha mekoya me card da me me card da be makura ni Ghana ha je ASANTEHENE nkwa ye wure betwa dwura na dwura na obetwa no me ni mitimi nyina no soldiers be ye omadwuma police be ye omadwuma yesu be ye adwuma
Name
utie ya se du na ekasa no no obeso oche se enyoma aga ni yin nyese wo nemu no ya manatela so wohwe yi nyesa omo ntwema ne kwa na me de me ka de bia se de obi ya politicians muti odin a mo hwa mo de mo se mo nkasa no ebe kakra no ebe chi mo nsa me se ahu ebe kakra no politicians ebe season from coming to mention for help me ka we opa obi amaki sase mu ntuo se ebe kakra we will seize politicians from coming to mention o de me se some of them police ni ade am ba By through one and be who the Munkosu Yanka Sente you and any you at him. Nyan Basabasa, you see, say, you season more essence, say, baby, and can you do what you can say. Ediana President Mama Unkai, and more you are there for. President Tabaku, be one man in Sanka you are more. As we would not see Dini Maya Cassette, and a mecano. They say, only a few years to come. Yes, Granny say, I can't make a crave. Politician, you will seize you from coming to me. Shabramba brass and mobile man. Muka say, one and say, yes, Kajetia, Yura, and I didn't know to compare Busia. President Mama, what to Yamina Mekai, and Obua be pretty, Emma Wede, ABC Kajetiano, and you might be brilliant. I am a funny Nina and Moon. So still, my assembly cassette, you I didn't know some paper. Messy, would you say me come a word where they are? Abusia, feel free now to chill while your conversation. I yet once a miss one. Miss can be first me. Asante wo don't work. A best say will be biara, and one more than so big was. Won't me maybe only gun announcing maybe who are going to my wait me the war of a number so. A budget near Dawasi. Wait me up what t-shirt, wait me up boy, and sue, wait me up, just a new one be with me up. A best say most supporting us until don't work. Yanka Sancho, 1 hour was so yet you know. 1 hour was so yet Santa Mine. Nina, yet Yankancho say, or Muhi, Sapa Pepe, and it's enough. We make out a consider idea. I could see there UK. The Yasan get to Accra, just say, the Yakajro. It may be a baby. We say a baby, Sapa Pepe, and it's Messi. The Busia, will share no be share more beer and video. After so much so, and then they declare me a subscribe button. Give me all notification, but said the baby document video on Sabbath. That's all, Macron.